Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can put your transparent logo on your product. Like if you have a product and you want to put your logo on it, so I'll be showing you step by step on how you can do that easily. What prompted this video was that I've actually had a lot of DMs asking how do I put my transparent logo on my product. I don't know how to do it. How do I apply my logo on my videos, on my pictures, to watermark it? Okay, so I decided to bring out this video to help you, and I know it will be helpful for some of you out there. Even if you're not in my DM, I know this video will actually be very useful for you. So you need to stay tuned to the end of this video because I'll be showing you step by step on how you can put your logo on your products. Okay guys, so first thing, you need an app that edits, either CapCut or InShot or any of these editing apps, but basically I use CapCut because I find it very easy to use. Yeah, if you're a new subscriber, you are welcome to my page. Do well to subscribe and like this video and share and comment. And if you're an existing subscriber, I love you so much and thanks for staying and sticking around. Okay, so first thing you want to do is to save your logo to your gallery of files, but I prefer gallery. It's easier to access. So now you go to your CapCut, you go to photo editor. You first of all pick the picture you want to use. Then you go to add photo, you go back to your logo that is already saved in the gallery. So this is it. You just adjust. If you want to increase it, just use your two finger to increase the size, reduce the size. So that's just basically everything. You export. Your picture is ready. So for your videos, you go to new project, you select the video you want, then you add. Then if you want to add your logo, you go to overlay. You go to overlay, add overlay, then you go to photos. Then you pick your logo, and yeah, this is it. If you want to increase, you use your two finger to either increase or reduce the size. Then you drag the logo to the end of your video. That is, if you want the logo to show in all your video, you just go and long press and drag to all your videos. So if you want to increase the intensity, if you want it to show very well, you just look for this opacity. Then you can see either increase or reduce. You just play around with it as you like. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video.